I'm so much excited to share you a remedy for strong and healthy bones, presenting our homemade protein powder. So, without any wasting time, let's get to the recipe. For making this homemade protein powder, all you need to do add 1 cup of roasted chana into a kadai or pan. Next time added unsalted 1 cup of peanuts, add 1 cup of makhanas, add half cup of mixed seeds, add 10 to 15 almonds also known as badam. Next I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts. They all are rich in protein, calcium, magnesium, phosphate, vitamins and healthy fats like properties. Roast all them until they become crispy and crunchy. At the same time aromatic. It also reduces the content of phytates for better assimilation of food. Now let them cool and add them into a mixer grinder to grind and blend all the ingredients into a fine and smooth powder. It's time to transfer our homemade protein powder into a bowl and add half teaspoon of cardamom powder for an extra flavor. You can also use cardamoms instead of cardamom powder. Store it into an airtight container away from moist. And the best part of it that it is easy to use and carry. Now it's time to serve our protein powder with milk. I am using coconut milk. You can use any other plant-based milk. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of this protein powder and garnish with some pistachios, and your super healthy, tasty and energy drink is ready to enjoy. If you loved what I shared, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.